Hey there, everybody, and welcome. Today we're going on a journey through time to explore the incredible evolution of women's roles in our world. It's a story of resilience, of breaking barriers, and of the unwavering spirit that has shaped generations. From the halls of government to the front lines of humanitarian crises, women have always been the backbone of our societies, haven't they? But for so long, their contributions were overlooked, their voices muted. But not anymore. Today, we're shining a light on the remarkable achievements of women across the globe and igniting a conversation about the challenges that still lie ahead. So, buckle up and get ready to be inspired. For much of history, the world of politics was a boys' club, wasn't it? The decisions that shaped our lives were made in rooms where women were rarely seen or heard, but something incredible has happened. Women, with their courage and determination, have been chipping away at that old, rusty system, demanding their rightful place at the table. And honey, let me tell you, they're making their voices heard. Just look at the numbers. In the United States, we've seen the number of women in Congress more than double in recent decades. Around the world, women are leading countries, shaping policies, and showing young girls that they too can dream big.
But let's be real, we still have a long way to go to achieve true equality. We need more women in positions of power, more women making the decisions that affect our lives. Because when women lead, the world changes for the better. And that's not just my opinion, honey, that's a fact. Studies show that when women are in leadership roles, we see greater investments in education, healthcare, and social programs that benefit everyone. So let's keep pushing. Keep fighting for a world where every little girl knows she can be anything she sets her mind to.
Now let's talk about the workplace. Remember when it was the norm for women to stay home while men went off to work? Well, those days are long gone, thank goodness. Women have been stepping into the workforce in record numbers, shattering glass ceilings and proving they are a force to be reckoned with. From classrooms to boardrooms, women are excelling in every field imaginable. We're doctors, lawyers, scientists, entrepreneurs, you name it, we're doing it. And let's not forget about all the incredible women who are the backbone of our economy, working tirelessly in factories, hospitals, and countless other essential jobs.
But here's the thing, even though we've come so far, we still haven't achieved true equality in the workplace. The gender wage gap is still a very real issue, and women often face discrimination and bias in hiring and promotion. We need to keep pushing for policies that support working women, like affordable childcare, paid family leave, and equal pay for equal work. It's time to close that gap once and for all.
Okay, let's be honest, ladies. Juggling work and family is no easy feat, is it? It's like a never-ending circus act, trying to keep all those balls in the air. But you know what? Women, we are masters of the juggling act. We're taking care of our families, excelling in our careers, and somehow managing to find time for ourselves somewhere in between. But sometimes, it feels like society expects us to do it all, doesn't it? To be the perfect mothers, the dedicated employees, and still have time to whip up a gourmet meal, all while looking effortlessly fabulous. Well, I'm here to tell you, it's okay to not be perfect. It's okay to ask for help. It's okay to take a break when you need it. We need to support each other, lift each other up, and create a world where women don't have to choose between motherhood and their careers. Let's face it, we deserve it all.
Now, let's take a moment to talk about the incredible women who are making a difference around the world. From fighting poverty to advocating for human rights, women are on the front lines of change, leading with compassion and courage. They are the ones who see the needs in their communities and take action. They are the ones who are working tirelessly to create a more just and equitable world for all. But too often their stories go untold, their contributions unrecognized.
Well, I'm here to tell you, we see you, we hear you, and we are so grateful for your unwavering dedication to making the world a better place.
One of the most inspiring things about this journey is witnessing how women are constantly challenging stereotypes and breaking down barriers. They're athletes shattering records, scientists making groundbreaking discoveries, and artists pushing creative boundaries. And they're doing it all while facing down discrimination and bias. It's a testament to their strength, their resilience, and their unwavering belief in themselves. But, it shouldn't be a fight, should it? Every woman, every girl deserves to pursue her dreams without facing obstacles simply because of her gender. As we've journeyed through time together, we've seen how women have transformed our world. They've fought for their rights, shattered glass ceilings, and inspired generations to dream bigger and bolder. Remember, women's roles are dynamic and multifaceted. They contribute to every sphere of life, whether as political leaders, educators, caregivers, or change-makers. Each woman's unique piece adds to the vibrant tapestry of our world. And hey, this is just the beginning. Let's keep the conversation going, celebrate each other's achievements, and continue to lift each other up. Learn more about how the role of women has changed over the last 50 years. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. See you next time.